I heard in Australia that they got killer magpies. Those Aussies, I think they're making fools of themselves. Ah, the killer magpie! Maybe those Australians are right.
And here we are today in 10 AM SA News. First on the list, we've got the killer magpies. They're going to come after you, they're going to get you, and they're going to swoop. And then up next, we've got dumb criminals.
Rah! I'm fucking sick of it. We've got no money.
I know.
What are we gonna do? We can rob a joint, bro.
Rob a joint?
Yeah, rob a joint. What do you got in mind? You gotta have somewhere, like a bank, a car yard, somewhere.
I know.
Where?
Nah. Blacksmith won't have much money, will they?
No, we need money. Fucking a cow would do, bro. Like, we could sell the steak or something, man. Like, come on. What about a train?
We can rob a train.
We can rob a train.
Let's do it.
Oh!
Did you get his money?
Huh?
Did you get the train's money?
No, I want the cow, bro.
We're trying to make money.
Then up next, we got the new horror movie, The Undead Creek Bed.
What's going on, guys? It's Carly. Just going down the back here to go put the trail cam up again. See if we can capture anything tonight. I was meant to do it in the afternoon, but I forgot. But I'm gonna do it right now. Just gotta walk down here for the creek bed. Yeah, just gotta walk all the way down there, like for the creek bed. So it's dark out here at the moment. It's like 8 o'clock or something. Not too sure, but there's a horse in here. I don't know where the horse is. Horse is somewhere. But I just gotta go over here. I bet I'm gonna run into something like a reel or something, or a hare or something like that. I'm gonna shoot myself. What the fuck is that? It was like a bird or something, or a bat. It looked like a bird. It was tiny. Oh my god, there's noises in here everywhere. Anyway, I'm just gonna walk down here, find a tree and tuck this thing up on. Yeah, so I'm in the creek bed now. Just walking through, it's kind of creepy as. Hear these noises around me. I'm just gonna go down here and maybe put on that tree right there. That looks like a good tree. Yeah. So that's where I'm gonna put it. So the trail cam is up. Get it facing down that way down there, down the trail. That's the moon looks cool. There, straight down there and down the trail there. I'll come back in the morning, come get it and see if I can find anything on there. If anything interesting, I'll let you know, but we'll see what happens. Yeah, well, I hope I capture something. That would be great. Be pretty cool. Oh my god, what the hell is that? What the hell is that? Ah!